Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm filming from the Lion Hotel in Los Angeles today. If you're new to my channel, I'm here in LA for a month. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. And if you are subscribed already, thank you so much for your support. As you can tell from the title of this video, I have a new pair of YEEZY boots that very kindly got gifted to me by Flannels. Flannels.com is a luxury fashion website. Check it out if you haven't already. It's not sponsored in any way. They did gift me the sneakers, but I didn't have to do anything with them, but I wanted to do a YouTube video review. But I wanted to do a video unboxing because that's what I love to do with sneakers. I'm off to Coachella. Actually, I'm filming this before Coachella. I've also done some blog articles recently over on Gallucks.com talking about possibly moving to LA, and then another article about the word influencer and what it means and why it makes me feel uncomfortable and stuff like that. But without further ado, I will go into the unboxing of the YEEZY Season 6 desert boot. Now, I've had two pairs of YEEZY boots before. I had a pair from Season 3 and a pair from Season 5. And I've got so much wear out of both of them. So when the opportunity came up to get Season 6, I definitely went for it. But these are different because I had military boots last time and these are the desert boots. And it's really funny, I thought I'd bring along the 700s and the 500s for the video because there are similarities between these desert boots and these sneakers, so I thought I'd point them out. I got them in the black, but they also come in a tan too. So here you have the desert boot. I actually thought these would be perfect to wear at Coachella, so if you peek my Instagram posts from the past few days, I'm probably wearing them so you can see them on foot in a picture. They have a chunky sole, they're a high top kind of boot. They are super padded, super comfortable. They have a reflective panel going down the tongue here. They have thick laces. They have suede panels on them, suede and mesh. So the actual upper is very similar to the Desert Rat or Mud Rat, whatever you want to call it, in terms of the design, because on here you have these little suede loops, and here it's basically the exact same thing on the top. And then actually the bottom is more of a, I thought the bottom was similar to this, but it's really not. The bottom is similar to that other desert boots that they've done, but the top is similar to the 500. The sole is really cool as well, it's kind of like pleated. They are just chunky bad boys and are going to be great for summer, especially like festivals and stuff. My friends say they're going to get ruined at Coachella, but I don't think they will. I think they're called desert boots, they're made for the desert, right? Yeah, I stuck to a 43, which is a UK 9. So yeah, they also come in a tan colorway as well, but I prefer the black. I love that these boots are more of a hybrid of the sneaker collection and the boots together. I just think they're sick and I think they're like beastie shoes. I'd love to know your opinion on these. I'm going to show you what they look like on foot as well, so here you go. I don't know why, but the YEEZY boots never seem to get as hyped up as the sneakers. Maybe they're more readily available. I would love to know what you guys think of these. What's your opinion on these desert boots? My friend Tom on Instagram posted the pair a few weeks ago, and I was like, where are they? How'd you get them? Like, they look amazing. And they were from a website called Hervia. They just kind of silently popped them online, and then Flannels popped them online as well. I was like, what? So you really have to be on the lookout for them. I don't know where else stocks them at the moment, but if you can get them at retail, then that's great. So yeah, 205, also in tan colorway too. Also, there's been a massive rave about the 500s recently because they are now available for raffle and pre-order and stuff like that across the world. So if you were wondering, I went true to size and they fit fine. They are not like the V2s or anything where they're really tight and stuff like that. They're just like regular sneakers, same for these 700s as well. So there's a bit of info on those. Flannels also gifted me some Season 6 socks, which I'm so excited to wear. You know I'm a big sock fan. I wear my white socks with stripes all the time. And I love the colorways of the YEEZY sock. We have them in a beige, black, and a kind of a dull mint green. I don't really know what you call this color. It's not blue and it's not green, but it's in between. But yeah, I'm so excited to wear these, so shout out to Flannels. If you did like this video and you want to see more sneaker unboxings and stuff like that, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.